welcome back. I'm going to make a quick marinade for some spicy Korean cucumbers, and I'll show you how I do it. First, I have some gochujang fermented hot chili paste, and I'm going to take a large tablespoon of that. I'm going to get a little beef stock, and some rice vinegar, some sesame seeds, and some sugar. And I'm going to whisk everything together. And we're going to taste it just the way I like. These are Katrina cucumbers that I grew in my garden. Going to take those. What I did with these was soak them in or cover them with kosher salt and let them marinate for about an hour. So they're soft, but they're still crunchy. I'm gonna place them into my ball jar here. And we're done with that. Set it aside for now. We're going to shake it up, put it in the fridge for 24 hours, and we will have spicy Korean pickles. If you like this quick recipe, give me a thumbs up. Until next time.